abide by the decision? Are you going to merge the party with the Congress, or it is going to be only you as an individual joining the Congress in
No,
case?
absolutely no question of merging or anything, because गोंयचो आवाज was formed to fight हें पळय करप्शन चालू आसा गोंयान, हें डिस्ट्रक्शन जें चालू आसा गोंयचें आमचें एनवायरमेंट, हे 3 लिनियर फॉर जे रिजनल प्लॅन जे कन्वर्जन जाल्ले अंडर 16B, हे सगळी आमची जमीन पळय विकल्या ह्या पॉलिटिशन, ही ताका लागून आमची लढाई स्टार्ट जाल्ली एज गोंयचो आवाज. दॅट्स वाय गोंयचो आवाज इज एन आयडिया फॉर सेवींग गोवा. So there is no question of Goincho Awaz ever merging. But whatever Goincho Awaz says, for getting the strategic advantage in Dabolim, as per that I will agree for whatever Goincho Awaz says.
So by
No, we've not had any discussions on that, except for when I was invited by Mr. Chidambaram when he came down on 12th. That is the only thing. But for me, सारकें म्हळ्यार आमचो आय बिलोंग टू गोंयचो आवाज. And गोंयचो आवाज इज अ इन्स्टिट्यूशन, इट्स अ फिलॉसॉफी, इट्स एन आयडिया फॉर गोवा. अशें म्हज्यान गोंयचो आवाज केन्ना सोडपाक जायना. बट वॉट एवर गोंयचो आवाज डिसायड्स इन द लार्जर इंट्रस्ट ऑफ गोवा, आय वील अबायड बाय दॅट.
you call for any meeting as such?
I spoke to the president of the organization, Mr. Swapnesh Shellekar, and he will be calling for an emergency meeting because they know the ground reality in Dabolim per se, because the demand has been coming from Dabolim, from the voters of Dabolim, that there has to be a consolidated fight against the sitting MLA. So taking that into consideration, whatever Goincho Awaz decides, I will abide by that. I think so. The ground situation, आमी पळय आतां ग्रावंडार आसा. लास्ट when after announcing की आमी इलेक्शनाक रावतले म्हण, I think so the last 3 months has seen a sea change. जसो आमकां सपोर्ट येता, some openly, some ऑन द क्वायट, बिकॉज तुमकां खबर आसा जें वातावरण आसा डाबोलीम, कोण तर आमच्या बराबर दिसत जाल्यार तांकां धमकी दितात, तो कितें दितात. दॅट इट सेल्फ शोज दॅट द सिटींग MLA इज फ्रायटन्ड. हीज टायम हॅज कम टू से गूड बाय टू पॉलिटिक्स.
Thank you.